Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by verifying prerequisites. Python and pip are available, and you're in the correct project folder. Once done, activate your virtual environment so packages install locally and you avoid conflicts. Now open the command prompt at your notebook folder. This sets the notebook server root. Run a quick check. Python version and pip version, then activate with source venv/bin/activate or conda activate env name. These steps ensure Jupyter will start with the right interpreter and package context. Once your environment is active, install Jupyter if needed. Use pip install Jupyter or conda install Jupyter to fetch the notebook server. Then type Jupyter Notebook and press enter. The command starts a local server and typically opens your default browser to the notebook dashboard. If you're on a remote machine or prefer no auto-open, start it with Jupyter Notebook no browser port 8888 and then copy the provided URL. This sequence ensures the server runs where your files are located. You can now create or open notebooks from the browser dashboard by choosing New Right Arrow Python 3. When finished, return to the command prompt and stop the server cleanly with Ctrl+C. Confirm to shut down kernels. If the browser didn't open, copy the token URL printed in the terminal into your browser manually, or start with no browser and set up an SSH tunnel. If problems persist, make sure the chosen port isn't blocked and the virtual environment contains ipykernel for your interpreter.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.